Hey, you happy homesteaders! Welcome to my video series on how to be a successful homesteader, even if you're a total newbie. If y'all are liking my content, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel and connect with me in the real world in whatever way strikes your fancy. In just a moment, I'm going to be answering the question that you are all asking. It's a burning question. Is homesteading worth it? Can anyone actually homestead? So stay with me. So I've been getting a lot of you asking me how you can be a successful homesteader, and I'm here to tell you it's a lot easier than you think. Even if you have zero experience, even if you have no homesteading know-how, even if you don't own land. Got a brown thumb? It doesn't matter. You can totally rock homesteading. For starters, most homesteaders are super awesome folks. They want to share their knowledge and they want to put in the elbow grease to help you learn how to be more self-sufficient and get your own homestead going, no matter what you're starting with. All you really have to have is a desire to better your life through homesteading practices and the ability to learn. And since you're here, I think it's safe to say you possess both of those things. And believe me, I know firsthand how overwhelming homesteading can potentially seem. There's so much to know and learn, even if you're a seasoned pro. So that's why I always tell folks who want to learn more about the sweet, simple life that homesteading provides to get out your good old roadmap. As with anything in life, anything worth having that is, having a plan is the best place to start. Even the pioneers had a plan. Now, in their case, it was a bit different. Go west. That was pretty much it. There were no maps back then through uncharted territory, but they all packed their dreams and that burning desire I mentioned earlier right alongside their self-harvested seed packs and the gingham cloth in the wagon. So now you can probably guess, what's the number one key to finding out how to be a successful homesteader? Have a plan. Dream about that plan, and find some mentors to help you make it happen. We are incredibly lucky to live in a day and age where so many people are happy to share their wisdom and they're happy to do it with a smile. So about the plan, how do you start? I always like to ask folks why they want to have a homestead to begin with. What do they think about when they picture it in their head? Do you want to have a little flock of chickens for tasty little butt nuggets and clean meat? What about growing and harvesting your own clean food? Maybe you've always dreamed about planting your own fruit trees or cultivating an awesome food forest. Maybe you've got a little money to play with, or you could be working with a budget. However your plan unfolds, this is the single biggest thing you have to take into account if you're starting a homestead from scratch. Gather a list of your resources, write down every goal you can think of, and make sure and include your why in the plan. It's the perfect building block and foundation you need to be successful at making your homestead super kick-ass. Once you know what you want, that's the hardest part. Now go out and get it. Back to that burning question, is homesteading even worth it? Heck yes, it is. You can bet the farm on that. Think about helping your family to live a healthier life, providing your own clean food, saving money. Take a minute to dream about helping Mother Earth, working with the land instead of against it, about being self-sufficient and about the freedom that homesteading provides. I promise you, you'll fall in love with homesteading and everything that it can provide for you and yours. Now, I really want to hear where you're at with your homesteading journey. I'd love it if you'd comment below and tell me exactly what questions you have. I'm all ears. Helping you be successful on the homestead is my number one passion. So I just want to say again that I'm going to be creating a lot more content on how to be a successful homesteader. So please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. In the next video, I'm going to delve into my best homesteading practices to save and earn money on the homestead while providing the healthiest lifestyle possible for you and your family. I'm Jessie, the Wild Homesteader, and from me to you, all my wild love. Thanks for watching.